Welcome back to Ngalor Ngidol. And my name is Daniel.
My name is JD. My name is Sam.
My name is Michael. And welcome back to Ngalor Ngidol, episode 3.
Yes.
So, for our first and second episode, we talked about the ID program where we went to Jogja. And for today's episode, we're going to continue on to vacation trips. So what we're going to talk about is our dream vacation. Where do we want to go?
Yes.
If we don't need to think about the money, the financial problems, and also the time. We have a 7-day vacation. Where do we want to go? So yeah, I think you have your answer.
Well, in my opinion, my dream vacation, I would like to go in Jogja for the entire weeks.
Why Jogja?
Well, because
You still can move on.
From our experiences when we were in Jogja, I would like to turn back time, and then I would like to have lots of fun with my friends again in Jogja.
But if it's abroad, not Indonesia, not in Indonesia, yes.
Well,
Do you have any idea where you want to go? Maybe
the most favorite is Japan.
Japan. Why Japan? Why Japan? Yes.
Why Japan? Because back when I was in my high school, I like to watch anime. Yeah, and then I get the thoughts of what if I were in Japan for the entire weeks. Maybe I would like to spend lots of things in there.
Anime.
Yeah. One Piece, guys. Don't forget to watch. One Piece.
Okay, then how about JD? What do you think?
JD?
Actually, I have a lot of dream vacation.
I see.
But the most common one is like Surya, being in Japan. But if I have to pick one, I will go to Italy.
Italy.
Why?
Because, the food. the food. Like the pizza, spaghetti, and many others.
Okay. How about someone?
I love environment. I love view. So as what I see maybe from like Instagram and TikTok, I've seen many view from either Switzerland, yes, or China. Yes. China.
It's a very specific pick. What do you see in Switzerland or in China?
Well, I've seen that from Switzerland. I see like the
Panorama.
panorama is very nice in there. But different from China, I've got like things in my mind on what I'm going to do there. Besides, I'm just seeing the view. Yes.
For example,
For example, I want to try the Chinese delicacy. So I have to try that. Like, well, it's made in Indonesia, but from the original China, I haven't.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
The original source.
Original source.
nice.
And how about yourself?
Well, I think maybe a specific one is also Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Because, like what you said, right? There are the mountain ranges,
Yes,
the lakes.
yes.
They have like very beautiful views. I mean, they have specific spots where we can see the specific view. Right? You can see the mountain range also with the lake. It's like something very amazing, and it's something that I want to achieve later on in life.
Same.
So, while you have your own specific places where you want to go,
Yes.
do you have any like specific ideas? For example, in Italy, you want to go on the first day. You want to go to the Pisa Tower, or maybe the Rome. What do you say? There's a Rome Stadium. And then, for example, Japan, if you want to go to like the Tokyo Tower, or maybe you want to go to Hokkaido for like the cold weather, or maybe China, you want to go to the I mean like specific spots if you want to go. Like if you want to go to the city or maybe to the villages.
Maybe start from you, JD.
Okay, so maybe start from the Italy, maybe like the most. I seen like in the cartoon or maybe a movie like there's a what is it? Is it a Rome arena?
Yeah, like arena, like
Colosseum.
Colosseum.
Actually, I'm very interested in that place because back then when I was a little kid, I watched a cartoon that shows what is it? Buffalo. What is it? Buffalo?
Buffalo.
Bull.
Yes,
Yeah.
bull. Okay.
Yeah, well, because well, I think it's interesting. Interesting.
Activity.
Yeah, activity. And
I think is it Bull Spain?
Yes.
Italy is
It's
supposed to be.
Oh yeah,
Gladiators.
Titans.
Yeah. Gladiators. So like it's people to people, or maybe the Colosseum is for what do you call it? The soap opera, or like the
Oh yeah.
drama thing. So like people can watch from every angle.
Yeah, that's right. I just don't know what is the name of that.
I see. Yeah. So yeah, actually, it's very fun. Colosseum is like one of the historical places in Italy, where I don't think like now they still use it for
To show like
simple events like small. How do I say? Small events like a simple drama or something. I think they open it for like a bigger one, or maybe like some historical tour rather than just using it for a small activity. But I see your point, but it's awesome the Colosseum is. How about the Pisa Tower?
Oh,
yes.
Pisa Tower.
I think for the pizza tower, I think it's the one is.
Yeah, the Leaning Tower. The
Yeah.
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
I think it's. In my opinion, I think it's way too common because many
I see.
people
Yeah.
already went to go there.
I see. Yeah. How about you, Sam?
Actually, it's a hard thing to take. Well, when I'm thinking about China, it's actually if I was there but not for vacation, so I have a dream of going to one of the university in China
I see.
and learn about TCM or traditional Chinese medicine. I want to learn that, but if I was there for vacation, I've seen in Instagram that there is like 999 stairs and going. It's like way too heavy. I think it's really the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen.
They said like you need to go like during sunset where like,
Yes.
you can see the sun shine
Yes,
through the
through the hole.
Oh,
Yes,
It's
yeah.
not that.
very interesting.
Very interesting where you mentioned TCM. So I think that's why you have this attire. Show the TCM, traditional Chinese medicine.
Actually, no, it's not. It's related to that.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes.
It's a coincidence.
Coincidence.
How about you, Surya?
Well, in Japan, there are many interesting things that I would like to try, but from the most of them, I would like to visit the one that you mentioned, Osaka Tower, and then
Tokyo Tower.
Tokyo Tower, and then maybe traveling to the Indonesia's Independence Day. Maybe I would like to visit the town that being bombed by.
Oh, I see. Nagasaki and Hiroshima.
Yeah, Nagasaki. What?
Nagasaki
Nagasaki
and
and
Hiroshima.
Yeah.
The World War II incident. Right?
Yeah, because there are many ruins that being being No. Being, what is it?
Preserved?
Yeah, preserved in museums.
preserved.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
Preserved it.
And then there are many, what is it? Like the, what is it? Saksi.
Witness.
The witnesses.
Witness.
Yes. Of the historical events itself.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, maybe for the rest of the days, I would like to, enjoy my dream of activities. Yeah,
Right.
In Japan, because you want to go to Pokemon.
Yeah.
Yes, the
Maybe
Pokemon.
maybe I would like to, come to the store where that the store is selling mangas.
Manga, I see. So you like the original manga?
The original one.
I see.
Because in Indonesia there are not many original mangas that being published.
Lastly?
Wait, so I want to
Okay.
comment on like,
comment on that, okay.
So I think you're like the historical type guy. So you like something related to history,
yes.
so you want to search for historical evidence of the Nagasaki and Hiroshima
Yes.
incident. I see. Yeah, that's actually very interesting because there are many. I think they are very rich in culture and also historical. How do I say, evidence and also heritages. So it's a very interesting thing. And actually, personally,
Yes.
well, yes, actually, because of globalization, where social media, where we have social media nowadays, I've seen many reels or videos or
Yes.
pictures in Instagrams and also TikToks about Switzerland itself. Remembering that I've learned German for like 2 years. So I think that's one of the motivation for me to go to abroad. Specifically either Switzerland or Germany. Sorry. So yes, I think what interests me the most is really the view. I think like the first day I'll go to this place, second I'll go to this place, where they have rich environments or maybe rich views of those panoramic views. So like what I've seen is like there were different spots where we can go to. Like I've seen, there was a cliff. There was like a high cliff, and there was like a waterfall. It's like I think it's from the point of view of the videographer. It's like it's very majestic and very
Majestic.
I know, and like I think maybe you think that I'm a bit overreacting, but it's very beautiful. That's why I want to go there myself and to how do I say, to verify whether it's true or not. And I've seen like several what do you call influencers. Yeah, people they gave their own opinions on working or living there in Switzerland. So I think if I can, rather than just being in a holiday, I think like moving there is another idea that I want to pursue later on in life. So what do you guys? Do you think? Yeah, do you think that rather than just only holiday, will you stay there or live there for like the rest of your life, or maybe like for a few years and then go back? I think it's up to you. Whether you want to go there to stay for a longer period of time or just a short period of time. It's up to you. What do you think?
I actually want to become a citizen of China. I want to stay there actually.
To continue TCM.
Yes, maybe I can open my own clinic.
That's crazy.
How about you, Jenny?
Yeah, JD.
Actually, I would like to stay forever at Italy, but I like to medicine, like stay in China.
Also in China.
Yeah.
So that's what you said. If you have opportunity after you went to Italy, you went to China.
Yes.
I see. How about you, Surya?
Well, maybe I'd like to stay for several of years, maybe.
Several years.
Yeah.
And then go back to Indonesia or maybe somewhere else.
Yeah, Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
So you love our nation.
Yeah.
Hey.
Nationalism.
But yes, I agree with Surya. Well, actually, I'm part of it, but maybe living there is quite an idea. Less politics, maybe.
Yeah, that's
The same thing in a diplomatic way.
Yeah.
Same way. Say something safe.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think going to Switzerland for a couple of years and go back is okay, maybe.
Okay.
If there is also an idea, well, let's just see where life brings me.
Yep.
I see. Well, that's it for this episode. For next episode, I want to know when you go to the place that you have mentioned, who will you bring and why? Okay, that's it for this episode. See you on the next episode of Ngalor Ngidul.